Hello friends, myself Saurabh Singhal and you are watching RKS Live app. So as of 30th June, the soybean stocks of the South America is roughly 150 lakh tons more than the last year. The South America countries are Brazil, Argentina and Paraguay. So despite the heavy stocks, there is no pressure on the soy oil. The reason is very much clear. The biodiesel mandates. So everyone knows the US is also increasing the soy oil usage in biodiesel, as well as the Brazil is also implementing higher mandates from the 1st of August. So there will be definitely the export surplus for the soya oil shall be less. So bigger crop, despite the bigger crops, the soil home use consumption for the biodiesel will be more. So the funds are also not bearish looking at these factors. Although on the second hand, the August weather is quite crucial for all over the crops. The US soybean is coming, the Black Sea sunflower crops, and India soybean crop as well. So August is the major month for the all the crop scenarios. So if there is any weather concerns in these countries, then definitely there will be a big concern for crops as well. So as of now, the crops in the Black Sea are facing some heat wave, but despite that, the crop seems better than the last year. US crops are quite stable with the ideal weather, and Indian crops are not also not facing as of now any weather concerns, major weather concerns. So the crop scenario is not a concern as of now. If we talk about the CBOT and the Malaysian palm oil, KLC, both the markets are moving parallel to each other. If there is some changes in the palm oil, the CBOT is following, the CBOT is gaining, the KLC is following. So both the markets are moving in a parallel mode. So that is why in the Indian markets also there is a very narrow spread between the palm and the soy refined. So due to this narrow spread, the palm is not able to get the soy oil demand. And although the physical offtakes in the Indian markets are not very good as of now, but still in the coming weeks, everyone is expecting that demand should increase, and definitely it will boost both for soya and palm along with the other oils. Although the local oil supplies are in India for mustard, cotton, rice bran oil are quite low. So the Indian market will be heavily dependent on the imported oils only. Although the soya and sun palm imports are quite stable in July and in the coming months onwards also, because we are having the festival season, but the local crops supplies will be definitely less. Although the this time currently the physical offtake is not very good, and it should improve in the next couple of weeks. So, so the trades and the market is moving accordingly because foreign markets are stable and Indian markets are moving quite in a slight steady mode. So no one is expecting any bearish fall and any big price fall. Although the markets has been stable in the past few days, although few days ago the market was too much volatile, market has gained much, but from the past few days market is moving in a very narrow range. Although the if we talk about the port stocks, the stocks are quite comfortable, so there is nothing to worry about the supply. And currently the KLC and CBOT spread is roughly 8 to 10 cents. The funds are all eyeing the biodiesel mandate in the US, and if the CBOT obviously jumps higher, then the Brazil Argentina basis will definitely the higher. So because they are having ample of supply, so if CBOT goes sharply up, then the both the countries, Brazil and Argentina, will move their bases accordingly. So the market is overall not going to be bearish, and in the recently the conference at IVPA held at Delhi, all the speakers are also not in a bearish mode. Everyone is saying the market should not drastically going up, but as the supply factors are quite reasonable, the demand shall increase in the user countries due to festivals. So the funds are also eyeing that market should slowly move up. Although the KLC is roughly 4200 these days, and as of now, if the current scenario uh, continues, so we should not see any fall below 4000. Although after 45, if it touch 4500, then it will be a complete different story. And as of now, the funds are quite active in palm oil. Although the production in the Malaysia is July is quite reasonable. Exports are not very good, but KLC is moving as of now in a stability tone. If we talk about the mustard, the we have seen some correction in the price in the past few days. Definitely, there is some profit taking, and the supply short is there, but no one is able to guess why the mustard is reacting in this way. But still, the supply is quite short, and definitely in the mustard oil mixing is there because of the wide gap of mustard oil from other oils. So currently, the market should not bearish in mustard as well. If we're talking about the sunflower oil, then the sunflower refined should be in a range 129 to 136 level in the up to festivals. So there is nothing for as such any big risk in the edible oils we are looking for. So overall that is for now today, and stay updated on application. Thank you.